What's going on, guys? Mr. C here with lesson 11.6. We're in our second to last lesson for this chapter. I'm going to be talking about surface area and volumes of spheres. So let's go ahead. I don't know if you can hear Maxwell, but he's going to be maybe joining us a little bit today. So surface area and volumes of spheres. So I'm going to be, again, pretty quick. I'm going to show you the formulas, do a couple examples, and we will call it. So here's my two formulas for spheres. Okay, the volume is going to be 4/3 pi r cubed. Surface area 4 pi r squared. Okay, so these are the two formulas we're going to be using. So let's practice using one for surface area. Find the surface area. And I'll take a picture. Okay, and this is going to be pretty straightforward. It's really just use the formula, plug in your information. There's really only one variable, that's the radius. So let's take a look. Finding the surface area, I have a radius of, they gave me a diameter of 10, so the radius is 5. So surface area is 4 times pi times 5 squared. Just make sure you square the 5 first. So that is 4 pi times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So you can do this as 100 pi, if they asked you to leave it in terms of pi. Rounded, that's about, what, 314? And what are these? Meters? Oh, I wrote meters squared. Meters squared, because it's surface area. All right. So that is that one. My son is in a little jumper, jumping around, having a good old time. Anyway, let's just do one more. It's not going to be a straight up plug it into the formula and reduce. I think you guys could probably all do that already. Let's try this one. The volume of a sphere is 5,000 meters cubed. Find the radius. Okay, we're given a volume of 5,000 meters cubed to find the radius. Still going to use the formula, which was 4/3 pi r cubed, but we're solving for r in this case rather than v. So plugging in volume, we should have 5,000 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So we want to get the r by itself, so we need to cancel the 4/3 pi. Okay, so if you recall, canceling a 4/3, we need to multiply the other side by the reciprocal. So multiply by 3/4. Okay, that cancels that. So we should have, let's see, 5,000 times 3 divided by 4. Okay, 3,750. So 3,750 equals pi r cubed. Okay, divide both sides by pi. So what is 3,750 divided by pi? Okay. 1193.7. 1193.7 equals r cubed. And then we got to think, how do we cancel a cube? How do we cancel a cube? Well, to cancel a square, you need a square root. To cancel a cube, you need a cube root. So it would look like this, if you remember from algebra. Okay, that's a cube root. Okay, so how do we take a cube root in a calculator? Because some of your calculators might not have that. One thing you can do, if you're trying to cube root, because this calculator, you can see I just have a square root. If you're trying to cube root a number, what was that, 1193.7? Cube rooting, another thing you could do is raise it to the 1/3 power. Whoops, that's not going to work. 1193.7. Raise that, make sure this is in parentheses, 1/3 power, like this. So 1193.7 to the 1/3 power. That's going to give us about 10.6 for a radius, which will work. So 10.6 is going to be my R. This was in meters. So 10.6 meters is my answer. Okay, and that is it. So basically 2 main things. Just remember, well, you guys don't even have to remember, but just have these on hand as you're doing homework and the lesson progress check for the weekend. So hope that's clear. If you guys have questions, let me know, and I will talk to you all on Thursday. All right, have a good day. Peace.